What is consciousness? Have you ever pondered this thought-provoking question? It's a riddle that has intrigued thinkers for centuries. Let's attempt to unravel it together. Consciousness, in its simplest form, is the awareness of internal and external existence. It's like being the silent observer of your own life's movie, constantly witnessing the play of your thoughts, feelings, and the world around you. The concept of consciousness is not new. It dates back to the 1600s with the term conscious, stemming from the Latin word conscious, which means knowing with, or having joint knowledge. The philosopher John Locke is often credited with defining consciousness as the perception of what passes in a man's own mind. Over time, our understanding of consciousness has evolved. Once thought of as the inner world of one's mind, it now encompasses a wider category of awareness. However, defining consciousness is a challenging task, often leading to debates that are circular or fuzzy, much like the concept itself. So, consciousness is a complex subject that has puzzled philosophers, theologians, and scientists for centuries. Now that we have a basic understanding of consciousness, let's explore some of the theories and perspectives surrounding it. Consciousness has been a subject of intense debate and speculation for centuries, and several theories have emerged in an attempt to explain its mysteries. One of these is dualism, a theory that suggests there are two distinct entities, the mind and the body. This perspective, often associated with philosopher René Descartes, proposes that while the body is physical, the mind or consciousness is non-physical, and they interact with each other. However, dualism has been criticized for its inability to explain how these two different substances could interact. In contrast, physicalism posits that everything, including consciousness, can be explained in terms of physical processes and properties. This theory sees consciousness as a product of physical processes within the brain. While physicalism has been praised for its scientific approach, it struggles to explain subjective experiences or why certain physical processes give rise to consciousness. A third theory, panpsychism, proposes that consciousness is a fundamental aspect of the universe, akin to space and time. This theory suggests that all matter, even the smallest particles, have some form of consciousness. While this may sound far-fetched, panpsychism is gaining traction as it potentially bridges the gap between consciousness and the physical world. As you can see, the nature of consciousness remains a hotly debated topic, with various theories offering different perspectives. Each theory provides a unique lens through which to view and understand consciousness, yet none have been able to fully capture its enigmatic nature. As we continue to delve into the mysteries of consciousness, we can only wonder what new insights future research may bring. Moving on to recent times, let's discuss how consciousness has been making headlines. Our understanding of consciousness isn't just limited to philosophical musings in scientific labs, it's also playing out in real-world situations. Take for instance the intriguing case of Darren Harrison, who successfully landed a Cessna 208 aircraft after the pilot was incapacitated. His consciousness was put to the test, demonstrating that with a bit of guidance and a strong will, even the untrained mind can perform feats usually reserved for the experienced. It's a testament to the power of human consciousness, and how it can adapt and respond to challenging situations. But consciousness isn't just about heroic actions, it's also about the decisions we make, and the responsibility we bear for those decisions. Consider the case of former President Donald Trump's legal team. Their consciousness, or lack thereof, of legal norms and practices has been criticized by legal experts and former prosecutors. Their actions or inactions have led to serious legal consequences, emphasizing the importance of consciousness in our professional and personal lives. Then there's the ongoing debate about what consciousness actually is. Even today, defining consciousness is a challenge. It's a term that's been used to refer to knowledge, intentionality, introspection, and phenomenal experience. From the inner world of one's mind to the broad category of awareness, consciousness continues to be a topic of intense scrutiny and discussion. Whether it's landing a plane or navigating legal complexities, these stories remind us that consciousness is a critical part of our existence. It's not just an abstract concept, but a tangible, influential part of our daily lives. These recent news items highlight the ongoing interest and research into the nature of consciousness. With so much interest in consciousness, what does the future hold for research in this field? This question is at the forefront of many minds today. As we venture deeper into the 21st century, we find ourselves on the precipice of monumental discoveries in the realm of consciousness research. One of the most promising areas of development lies in the field of neuroscience. The brain, our most complex organ, is the physical vessel of consciousness. As our understanding of its intricate workings expands, so does our potential to unravel the mysteries of consciousness. With advancements in brain imaging and neurotechnology, we could soon be able to map out the neural correlates of consciousness, shedding light on how our subjective experiences arise from the labyrinthine connections in our brains. Beyond the realm of the organic, we also find the digital. Artificial intelligence and machine learning are rapidly evolving fields that hold significant implications for consciousness research. As we develop machines capable of complex thought and decision-making, we are challenged to reconsider what consciousness truly is. Could a sufficiently advanced AI possess a form of consciousness? This question not only pushes the boundaries of technology, but also forces us to re-evaluate our philosophical understandings of consciousness. Speaking of philosophy, the future of consciousness research also promises a wealth of new philosophical insights. As we probe further into the nature of consciousness, we may discover that our current theories and perspectives are but the tip of the iceberg. There could be entirely new ways of thinking about consciousness that we have yet to stumble upon. These future insights could reshape our understanding of ourselves and the world around us in profound ways. In conclusion, the future of consciousness research is a vibrant tapestry of potential discoveries spanning the realms of neuroscience, artificial intelligence, and philosophy. It's a journey into the unknown, fueled by our insatiable curiosity about the nature of our own awareness. As we can see, the future of consciousness research is both exciting and unpredictable. As we come to the end of our discussion, let's reflect on what we've learned about consciousness. This elusive concept, central to our very existence, has been the subject of contemplation and debate for centuries. The nature of consciousness is complex and multifaceted, weaving together strands of cognition, experience, feeling, and perception. We've explored various theories and perspectives, each offering a unique lens through which to view this intricate tapestry. From the introspective views of philosophers to the empirical approaches of scientists, each perspective adds a new dimension, a fresh layer of understanding. Yet, even as we delve into these theories, we recognize that consciousness is not static. It continues to be a hot topic in the news, with ongoing research and new insights continually emerging. These stories remind us that consciousness is not merely an abstract concept, but a dynamic, ever-changing field that holds the potential to reshape our understanding of the human mind. Looking ahead, we've considered the future of consciousness research. New technologies, innovative methodologies, and interdisciplinary collaboration promise an exciting era of discovery. As we venture further into this uncharted territory, we can anticipate a richer understanding of consciousness, one that integrates diverse perspectives and transcends traditional boundaries. So, while consciousness remains a mystery, it's clear that our understanding of it continues to evolve. As we continue to explore this fascinating subject, who knows what new insights we might discover? We've covered a lot of ground today, and I hope you have enjoyed our journey into the enigma of consciousness. We delved into the theories and perspectives that seek to unravel this mystery, and examined how recent events have brought the study of consciousness to the forefront. We discussed the future of consciousness research, exploring the potential of this field to transform our understanding of the world and ourselves. We reflected on consciousness, pondering its complexities and the profound impact it has on our lives. This exploration is far from over. The essence of consciousness continues to elude us, inviting us to delve deeper, to question, and to wonder. I encourage you to keep exploring, questioning, and contemplating. After all, the study of consciousness is not just an academic pursuit, but a personal journey. As we navigate this journey, let's remember that the answers we seek are not just about understanding consciousness, but understanding ourselves. So, I invite you to continue this exploration, to keep questioning and seeking. Thank you for joining us today. Remember, the journey to understanding consciousness is a journey into ourselves.